everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we learn a very beautiful poem based on earth, nature. So let's start. We are the breath of morning air, the rustle of the jungle's prayer. We are the coral deep and bright, the starlit waves, the eagle's flight. But if we poison land and stream, we kill the soul, we kill the dream. No wall will save, no bands divide, when earth herself begins to slide. So let us plan, project, renew. What we destroy, we must undo. The earth is not just rock and tree, it's you and me, it's you and me. So I hope you like my video. If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.